Good day, viewers. Making my little daily dump run. Maybe I'll think of something to talk about, and maybe I won't. First thing in my mind is put this seatbelt on. You ever been in a head-on collision? You'll respect seatbelts. Viewers, I suggest you get a tight grip and put on your seatbelt too. Here we go. Tinkered around out here a little bit today. I haven't did a lot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like I got the nails out of 6 boards. I moved them over here. Didn't do a lot. Still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more over here to get the nails out of. It was cold this morning. Right now it's about 50 degrees out here. But I'm not going to, it's going to be dark in an hour. I'm not going to try to tackle it right now. That's my recollection. Them posts in the ground are mounted in cement. It's been a long time since I built this deck. Sure is a pretty afternoon. Something set off my alarm last night and I couldn't see what it was. But I think it's that owl that flies around out here at night. I looked out the window, I didn't see no deer out here. I don't think squirrels are hopping around. Could have been a rabbit or a coyote maybe. Coyotes come through here every once in a while. Ah, some of the neighbors' cats come up this way too. But I'm pretty sure it's probably that owl. Wonder where he nested at. There's a robin on the ground. Looking for some worms, I guess. I need to look into a ground level bird feeder. A lot of birds won't eat out of a bird feeder up off the ground. They're ground feeders. Some birds, like finches and stuff, can crack sunflower seeds, and red birds crack the sunflower seeds and take the goodies out of them. But some birds that habitually eat worms and stuff out of the ground have a pointed beak, and they don't have the strength in their beak to crack shells like that. Some of them, like the little chickadees, will fly up there on the limb somewhere. Just peck at it until they get the goodies out of the seed. Anybody ever had a parakeet? See how they shell seeds all over the place. Well, I got my little dump run made. Even though I didn't get much done today, I did get a little bit done on the truck. Let's go in the house and watch some YouTube. Do some streaming. Since I got my smart TV hooked up, I stream YouTube a lot. I just go on the computer and do my comments and stuff and work on my videos. But when I get ready to watch YouTube, I just go in my watch later category on YouTube and watch it from my television set. Good day, everybody.